Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make salmon curry. Start by gathering fresh salmon, aromatics, coconut milk, curry paste, and rice. Use medium heat to bloom spices, then sear salmon briefly for flavor. Simmer gently so the fish stays tender and absorbs sauce. Finish with lime, cilantro, and a pinch of sugar to balance flavors. Serve over steamed rice or noodles with extra sauce on the side. Enjoy. Gather ingredients and prep all components before cooking to keep the process smooth. Chop onions, garlic, ginger, and chilies and measure spices and liquids. Cut salmon into even pieces and pat dry to help sear. Heat oil and toast whole spices briefly, then add aromatics until soft and fragrant. Deglaze with coconut milk and simmer sauce before adding salmon to finish gently. Taste and adjust seasoning with salt, lime, and sugar to achieve balanced flavors. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like, it really supports the channel. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for comfort during long kitchen shifts. I wear mine while cooking, and they stay cozy through hot ovens and long prep. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Cook salmon gently so it flakes but stays moist, avoiding boiling, which toughens fish. Maintain a gentle simmer and spoon sauce over pieces as they cook. If using curry paste, fry briefly to deepen flavor before adding liquids. Add vegetables earlier or later depending on firmness. Finish with fresh herbs, lime juice, and a drizzle of oil for gloss. Serve immediately with rice or crusty bread for soaking up sauce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.